Well, welcome to this joint UK drug testing and value med video demonstration of the 7 drug recruitment cup in the split key or dual chamber packaging. Let me just show you the full carton. This is what you can expect if you order a carton of 25, ALLTEST branded, multi-drug, rapid tests. B1 is the coding there for the split key dual chamber cup, and the combination loaded into this cup is amphetamine 1000, OPI 2000, cocaine 300, cannabis 50, methamphetamine 1000, methadone 300, and benzo 300 nanogram. So those are the 7 parameters loaded in. Inside the full manufacturer's carton, if we just flip the lid here, you will see you get 25 individually foil wrapped drug tests, all with the CE standard certification along the front label, with further confirmation of the combination and the cup design. Also included in the full manufacturer's pack is the full data sheet and cross-reactivity instruction insert, and some security seals should you wish to choose to use those, and security seal over the sample once collected. So let's move this out of the way, open up these foils and show you what's included in this test. Okay, so foil on the left, contents of the foil here. This is the cup as it's presented to you. You'll notice when it comes out of the packet, the foil also contains a little bag of desiccant. This is to keep the membranes in the test chambers completely dry until you come to use it. Okay, so let's have a look at the design of the cup you get in the B1. This is a split chamber, dual chamber. So if I just open this up, you'll see the front chamber here is where the sample is donated into. And then the key mechanism, you can see the barrel going along the base of this, and the key, which is located in the lid. If I just separate that and show you, when you come to run the test, the key is located in here, and it's a simple push down with the cup in the vertical position, which will allow a sample of the urine in the collection chamber here to pass through into the back chamber here, where the membranes for the drug test are located. And this label can be removed at any time during the course of the test to reveal the test results. Also on this cup test, you will see this urine temperature test strip. This is part of the chain of custody controls. You would expect one of these temperature ranges to show positive with a indicator showing on the test strip to indicate that the sample that's being put into the test cup is at normal body temperature. And the minimum urine fill level is indicated here. That's the minimum volume fill level indicator. So you want it to be, probably if you give directions to put 2 to 3 centimeters of urine into the cup to the donor, then you won't go far wrong. You certainly don't need it filled right to the top. So let's show this in action and give you some guidance on how to interpret your results. Now, when the donor has provided the urine sample into the cup, the lid can be sealed by pushing it firmly down. This is easier to do if the key is removed from the top, and it just pushes down and locks into place. Now, leave it for about 30 seconds to a minute, and then have a look at the temperature check strip on the side. Now, the bar changes on the LCD, liquid crystal display temperature test strip, can be very subtle. It's very tricky to pick it up on camera actually, but this one's reading just 92 or 33 degrees centigrade, but that's only visible with the naked eye as the change is very, very subtle. Don't expect it to be a bright colour indicator on these tests. Now, when you're happy to start the test, the urine sample, you're confident it has been provided freshly by the donor. The mechanism for starting the test is with the cup in the upright position. Position the key in the side port and push. You'll hear a couple of bubbles coming through, and some of this sample will now have passed into this area where the test strip membranes are. This is when to start your timer, because the read time for these tests are specific on the manufacturer's guide time, and you should read the test results showing at between 5 and 10 minutes. So let's leave this test now for that period of time, come back and show you the test results revealed. Well, this test is now being prepared for 5 minutes, and we're going to remove the results cover to hopefully reveal our results windows, and there you go. We're looking for the presence of test line and control lines, and every single one of these columns must have a clear control line, which is the line marked by the C and furthest away from the dipped end. You'll see that on column 1 we've got 2 results showing. So we've got a T1 and a T2. T1 results are for amphetamine and T2 for opiates. On the other 5 columns, we've only got a single T line or test line. So these are individual drug group results. And you'll see test lines showing for all the T1, T2 areas, indicating this is a clear negative result. You may note that the T line showing on the benzodiazepine is much fainter than the result T line showing on the MET. You do not draw any inference from the thickness, colour density or saturation of the test lines. If they are present in the line and that the control line is also showing at the correct read time, then that is a clear negative result for that drug group. So there you have it. Simple 7-drug screen on a single urine sample, which has been retained uncontaminated in the front chamber of this test cup. If you did require or need to do confirmation laboratory screening to confirm a non-negative result, the sample in this front chamber could be used. That can be accessed by clearly just pulling on the pull tab here to loosen the lid seal. That can be then decanted and sent for laboratory testing. Thanks for watching.